substances. The 27A and 29 were not mentioned on the day they were arrested. 27A, as most of our viewers by now they must be knowing that 27A deals with the person who was dealing with the drugs and financial harboring the drug syndicate. And 29 is part of the conspiracy. The person is involved in the conspiracy of creating this drug syndicate. These two severe charges were not mentioned the day when these three people were arrested. That's a basic charge which even Mukul Rohatgi was presenting yesterday. This means is that at the time of on the assessment of the material, namely recovery, that the mobile phone and all these three people had come only for the purpose of consumption, is what the charges made against them by Narcotics Control Bureau on the day when they were arrested, is what Amit Desai is telling the court. If you remember, this was the initial argument of Mukul Rohatgi as well. When he opened his arguments yesterday, he started with these arguments that basically severe charges were not against any of these three, Aryan Khan specifically, and it looks like that Amit Desai is continuing with that. Vidya, our correspondent, is inside the court. As usual, the courtroom is completely packed, and of course, it's very difficult to send every details from inside the court. Of course, Shah Rukh Khan was supposed to come today. He had spoken to his legal team, but it looks like that they have advised him not to come because the way yesterday the ruckus happened inside the courtroom and finally some people needed to be vacated, it couldn't be possible. Desai has continued with the argument, not taking the retraction but taking the case as it is. So he's saying that everybody has retracted the statements. Now, earlier, under 67, the statements given to the Narcotics Control Bureau is to say that it is admissible in the court. It's as good as you are giving an evidence against yourself, which has been shot down by the Supreme Court now. So these statements, if retracted, cannot be taken as an evidence. So he's saying that even if I say that I have not taken the retraction, despite that, what I can see is that there was no conspiracy at that moment. Then the punishment was only 1 year. So basically he has come back to that what is the sentence which they would have got if they would have continued with the original offence which they were booked under. According to the person who arrested them, the person treated them individually and have come on their own and wanted to get the vessel individual. So if these are three individuals with motive of consumption, then the investigator should have seen what is to be done when the punishment is 1 year. So basically what he means to say is that investigator should see that if the punishment is only 1 year, then whether they should be keeping them inside the jail or not. That is what is the argument which Amit Desai is trying to make.
Correct. So mainly it revolves around the sections, and if they are able to prove in the High Court or convince the High Court that this is a case purely of consumption, then it's more likely that Aryan Khan will come out, because the maximum punishment which is made out in this entire section.
He's actually trying to say that the investigator should have asked them to cooperate with the investigation, rather than booking them, because they are the victims, rather than booking them in such a severe sections, he should have just asked them to be part of the investigation. That would have been the right course, should have been taken by the Narcotics Control Bureau.
Correct. So there you have that the main arguments of Amit Desai have started, and it's revolving around the sections which have been applied in the case. Back to you.